the wireless control system. It is an option on the LPT, comes with this handy dandy little key fob, up and down, it's got a cover to cover it. Also, it goes to sleep after about 20 minutes of inactivity so that it doesn't accidentally fire in your pocket. But the cool thing is, it allows you to be out behind your dump trailer or around it while it's dumping, to where that you don't have to be tied to the remote or draping a cable across you, all the way to the back of the trailer. You can hear it still back there going. You can get pretty far away, which is cool. But I don't suggest going, this far away, leaving your dump going by itself back there. But anyways, really cool feature to where you can be right around the action, the back of your dump trailer when it's dumping. Wireless remotes are standard on many other models of Diamond C trailers. Anything has like a hydraulic loading option, like a hydraulic dovetail or a hydraulic tilt deck that's powered, comes with a wireless control.